Hydroponics is an innovative farming technique where plants are grown in a water-based, nutrient-rich solution, bypassing the traditional use of soil. This method allows plants to absorb nutrients directly from the solution through their roots, facilitated by a support system like clay pellets, peat moss, or perlite. One of the primary advantages of hydroponics is its water efficiency. It uses up to 90% less water than conventional farming because the closed system recycles water continuously. The roots of hydroponic plants are submerged in a nutrient solution that is meticulously balanced with essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other minerals. This controlled environment allows for faster growth rates and higher yields. Hydroponics can be set up indoors, enabling year-round cultivation, free from the constraints of weather and traditional growing seasons. Additionally, since the plants are grown in a controlled environment, they are less prone to diseases and pests that are common in soil. There are several types of hydroponic systems, including the wick system, deep water culture, nutrient film technique, ebb and flow, aeroponics, and drip systems. Each type has its unique mechanism but generally revolves around delivering a nutrient solution to the plants in an efficient manner. For instance, in DWC, the plant roots are suspended in a nutrient-rich oxygenated water solution, which promotes rapid, healthy growth. One of the critical challenges in hydroponics is maintaining the right nutrient balance and pH level of the solution, which can require careful monitoring and adjustment. However, the payoff includes significantly reduced use of water and fertilizers, no need for pesticides, and the ability to grow food in areas with poor soil quality or limited natural water supplies. As the global population grows and urban spaces expand, hydroponics offers a sustainable solution for fresh produce in urban centers, reducing the need for space and resources compared to traditional agriculture. It is particularly promising for food production in arid regions or places where arable land is scarce. Moreover, hydroponics fits well with modern technology trends, including automation and the Internet of Things, which can further optimize resources and yield. In summary, hydroponics represents a futuristic approach to agriculture, focusing on efficiency and sustainability. It provides a viable alternative to traditional farming, especially in challenging environments and urban settings, promoting better resource management and environmental responsibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. We appreciate your support in helping our community grow. Happy growing!